Hey guys, it's Hannah Lynch here. I'm a DJ and member of DJ group Girls Don't Sing. I'm excited to host the Lymph Academy sound sessions in association with Pirate Studios. This project is all about platforming underrepresented and emerging DJs within the Liverpool city. For the first season, we will be showcasing 4 amazing DJs with very unique styles and sounds. Next up, we've got someone who's bringing a versatile and electric energy to the decks, and trust me, this one's special. With a killer sound that blends garage, UK funky and amapiano, this DJ has shown no signs of conforming to a box and has already shared stages with some of the biggest names in the industry like Sammy Verji, Nuria and Mokta. Hailing from Leeds and now based here in Liverpool, she is quickly becoming a name to know in the underground club scene. Up next, we've got Sharan.
Jungle.
Driver production, General Beater, cash by the hour, man.
I go cash by the hour. Cash in my stash goes up by the hour. If I go cash by the hour, more chance I'ma get banged by the hour. Bang bob, cash straight for an hour. Popularity never goes by the hour. Yeah, I only ran for an hour. Overtime that's deep, that's sour. Yeah, just too many cash I wanna catch for the lash. Too many cash I wanna catch for the lash. In an hour, in a minute, in a second, in a flash. Just too many cash I wanna catch for the lash. Too many cash I wanna catch for the lash. In an hour, in a minute, in a second, in a now boys wanna clash me, I don't care for. Girls wanna mash me, that's what I'm here for. Niggas wanna slow me down, I don't care cause I'm too busy like Lagos Airport. Making moves, now it's my time. Taking big steps like shoes, it's my time. No time for holding loose, it's flight time. Flying high like Ghana Airlines. I go cash by the hour. Cash in my stash goes up by the hour. If I go cash by the hour, more chance I'ma get banged by the hour. Bang bob, cash straight for an hour. Popularity never goes by the hour. Yeah, I only ran for an hour. Overtime that's deep, that's sour. Now why she fighting like she don't want Bido? Why she fighting like she don't show face? She knows when she gets down with Bido, she's always gonna make a comeback like me. Why she fighting like she don't want Bido? She knows I'm amazing like Grace. You lie to yourself about you don't want Bido. You really wanna touch and tease me like hey. Now if that chick is half my size, petite and sweet and that, it's all for the skirt and all for the shirt and hit that yap from the back. But if that chick is twice my size, big and round as hell, still all for the skirt, still all for the shirt, cause fat girls need love as well. I go cash by the hour. Cash in my stash goes up by the hour. If I go cash by the hour, more chance I'ma get banged by the hour. Bang bob, cash straight for an hour. Popularity never goes by the hour. Yeah, I only ran for an hour. Overtime that's deep, that's sour. Now she says,
yeah, you're nice.
Then I say, you too still. She says,
I don't normally do this, but do you wanna come back to mine and chill?
Then I say, yeah, why not? And she says,
make yourself at home.
Then precisely half an hour later I'm walking around to the sounds of joy.
And I draw cash by the minute. See your chick, I'm already in it. Back in there, she in then I just spin it. I'm a level on the mic, just watch me sing it. And I bang hoes in 60, not minutes, just sex. That's a quick blow, I can get sex. I can bring on my next sex blood just by text. She loves me not, hugs me, loves the car. Ladies, fall and drop, haters, roll and stop. I rise and hey, swinging over my way. Babe, I link you someday.
I go cash by the hour. Cash in my stash goes up by the hour. If I go cash by the hour, more chance I'ma get banged by the hour. Bang bob, cash straight for an hour. Popularity never goes by the hour. Yeah, I only ran for an hour. Overtime that's deep, that's sour. I go cash by the hour. Cash in my stash goes up by the hour. If I go cash by the hour, more chance I'ma get banged by the hour. Bang bob, cash straight for an hour. Popularity never goes by the hour. Yeah, I only ran for an hour. Overtime that's deep, that's sour.
but don't like me. Can I say, what can I do? I'm trying to be the girl that you're talking to. And maybe you can be my American hot boy. You can be my American hot. Why can't you say that you want me to? I'm flying intercontinental with you. And maybe you can be my American hot.
Welcome to Brixton, I'm in the party with Barbies and drillers.
watch when we get rock. On the murder, them blood clot. Can't suffer life, not extra. Where them a do, where them a try. Marrow will fly high into the sky. Gun me no borrow, me money buy. Smarty will die. Flex, back to start. That's what them gone again. Gangs of life, we can't come again. Yeah, bring them arm again. 7, 8, 9, 10, get down again. Whenever God do love, the dogs them can again. Yeah, and I perform again. The girls them love for me go on again. Fire for your man in your mouth. Where them a do, where them a try. Marrow will fly into the sky. Gun me no borrow, me money buy. Marrow will 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 borrow, me money
this dancery. We got you open, now you're floating, so you got to dance for me. Don't need no hateration, holleration in this dancery. Let's get it percolated while you're waiting, so just dance for me. Let's get it from up on up in this dancery. We got you open, now you're floating, so you got to dance for me. Don't need no hateration, holleration in this dancery. Let's get it percolated while you're waiting, so just dance for me. Let's get it from up on up in this dancery. We got you open, now you're floating, so you got to dance for me. Don't need no hateration, holleration in this dancery. Let's get it percolated while you're waiting, so just dance for me. Let's get it from up on up in this dancery. We got you open, now you're floating, so you got to dance for me. Don't need no hateration, holleration in this dancery. Let's get it percolated while you're waiting, so just dance for me. Let's get it from up on up in this dancery. We got you open, now you're floating, so you got to dance for me. Don't need no hateration, holleration in this dancery. Let's get it percolated while you're waiting, so just dance for me.
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Skinny nigga with a fat belly. I'm selling cheese straight off the Blackberry. In the night, I be chilling with a flat bitch. I was born broke, but guaranteed I die rich. It's that nigga with the crazy flow. Wish my niggas in the paint could hear me on the radio. These pagans wanna hear that nine's got man. No time to rap bars, the lines clockwork. I'm on up like it's my clothing line. Me and my nigga, my streets, we putting overtime. Always bun and cheese, I don't know the sober me. Off camera, I was giving out O's for free. They wanna see me quick, one day I'll be legit. Disappear out the hood on some genie shit. Rappers want me to slow down, but I just begun. 5 bricks a day, I had a disgusting run. See, yo, shout out to all the man. Say nothing, free over my green sticks. Church say I'm about to make history. It's the G with more chains than Mr. T. Come through looking brighter than a Christmas tree. You came for trouble, I came for girls, but I still won't hesitate to make it rain with shells. You see the neck, I gotta keep it tech. Have a shot, make a nigga die, beat a check. You know how much nights I bleached in the bush. Feeling fast, car, mix the cheese with the kush. I'm blowing up like dynamite, the flow be China white. I'm rhyming time, shining bright. My bracelet with blinding sight, yo, I got all kind of nights. My headphones is live and white, I just grind the night. That's why I hardly get time to write. I was only 13 when I sold the draw. Now I got more green than Bulbasaur. I'm about to go for a mansion far abroad. Hate to see shit that I can't afford. See, my streets in the bottom.
Look out for the video.
Take over. Real niggas see what kind of cheeks my grease when I see police. Stones looking like giant glass in the Jesus piece. 2010 I had a hella run. Saw my first 100 G's before I turned 21. Shit was slow when I first started to flip drone. Now the wrist glow like a ceiling in a disco. Louis Vuittons on my feet. Them niggas OT got my songs on repeat. Feds got me on the double bar. Lost a couple bricks, that's another L. My new boots looking like a cover. If I ain't got the stratty, then the shanks on base. My buds green with orange hair like Blanca's face. While these niggas roll around in their fake jewels, I just spent 1,200 on some suede shoes. I can't see the time the way my rollie glow. I expect payback, smile, new guys like only do nice. See, they don't compare me to all these rappers. See, some BMF-ish. Reno Records, Crime Scene, I City, Juvenile.